In this video, I'll guide you through how to create and download videos from Meta AI. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer or phone. Now type Meta AI into the search bar. Open the official Meta AI website. Once the platform loads, you'll see a text box where you can enter a prompt or command. Here, type the kind of video you want Meta AI to generate. For example, you could type, "Create a video of a dog playing jazz." After entering your prompt, click on the arrow or send icon. Now wait a few moments while Meta AI generates the videos. Once the process is complete, you'll see multiple video results appear on the screen. Browse through the generated videos and select the one you like the most. Click on the video to preview and play it. Now look for the download option or save icon. Click it to download the AI-generated video directly to your device. And that's basically it. You've now learned how to create and download videos using Meta AI. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials and tech tips.